Hi, I'm Dave Olson from the University of Alberta. Science was always a part of my life as I grew up. My father was a microanalytical organic chemist at the 3M company in St. Paul, Minnesota, and he would always be bringing home erector sets and microscopes and chemistry sets to give me for presents, and he would also help me get summer jobs at the 3M company. In school, I enjoyed all my subjects, and I wasn't leaning towards a science career until about the 12th grade. In that year, I entered 3 projects in science fairs, one each in chemistry, physics, and biology. This was my first real chance to perform experiments and to manage a science project, and I really loved it. When I started college, I actually enrolled as a music major for the first 2 months until I discovered that I had no talent in music. So I switched to biology, and I never looked back. In my 4th year, I took my first ever course in reproduction and development, and I was absolutely hooked. When I started my master's degree, I started studying parturition, or the process of birth, and over the next few years I worked on my master's degree and I worked as a technician, but my interest in birth continued to grow. I then found a position as a PhD in St. Louis. I wanted to study birth, but my professor had just received a grant on oviposition in chickens. So for my PhD thesis, I studied how chickens lay eggs. But I had a very good PhD, and I had the opportunity to come to London, Ontario, Canada to work in an outstanding birth lab. Since then, I've never looked back. I've really enjoyed my career in studying fetal development, parturition, and studying preterm birth.